ASEAN Folktale Series bilingual book, The Folktale of Cambodia, The Wolf and the Shrimp. Page 3. A long time ago, in a dry summer at the border of the forest, a very thin wolf stumbled around hungrily. It hadn't had any food or water in its stomach. Vocabulary: summer, border, stumble. Page 5. The wolf walked until it arrived at a pond which was shallow and muddy. In the pond there were many underwater animals such as shrimp, shellfish, fish, and crabs. Vocabulary: pond, shallow, muddy, shellfish, crab. Page 7. The wolf licked its lips and thought, "Finally, my stomach will be filled with food." In a hurry, it tried to catch these small underwater animals to eat. The shrimp sensed danger. The shrimp said, "Wait a minute, great wolf. If you want to eat us, why don't you clean us first?" Vocabulary: lick, sense, danger. Page 9. The wolf went along with it. The shrimp told the wolf to kneel down close to the pond. The shrimp and its friends started to climb up and clung onto the wolf's fur in order to migrate to a new pond. Vocabulary: fur, kneel down. Page 11. They arrived at the new pond, which was full of water. The shrimp told the wolf to go back and pick up the rest of its friends. The shrimp and its friend washed up and waited for the wolf to return. The wolf obeyed the shrimp's command without any doubts. Vocabulary: rest, arrive, obey, command, doubt. Page 13. When all the small underwater animals arrived, they dived deep down in the pond and disappeared all at the same time. Leaving, the starving wolf felt foolish. Vocabulary: dive, starve, disappear. Foolish. Moral lesson: in the middle of difficulty lies opportunity.